Welcome back to Spy Garage. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a custom-built vehicle that redefines the idea of mobile living and symbolizes the pinnacle of automotive luxury. This car goes beyond the conventional definition of a motorhome and becomes a mobile haven that skillfully combines the unmatched craftsmanship of Rolls-Royce with the independence and excitement of leisure travel. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome's appearance is a harmonious blend of style and aerodynamic effectiveness. It keeps Rolls-Royce's recognizable design language, which includes the Spirit of Ecstasy symbol, the famous Pantheon grille, and flowing lines that radiate classic sophistication. But it also has cutting-edge features that improve its usefulness as a motorhome. This comprises the body's careful construction from lightweight, high-strength components guarantees its longevity and aerodynamic efficiency. Smooth incorporation of elements including hidden storage spaces, exterior entertainment systems, and retractable awnings. Active aerodynamic components and carefully shaped surfaces reduce wind resistance, which improves stability and fuel economy. The RV is a sumptuous and instantly identifiable vehicle thanks to the seamless integration of Rolls-Royce's unique design characteristics into its form. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome's interior exemplifies the brand's steadfast dedication to elegance and fine craftsmanship. It is a peaceful sanctuary created to offer an unmatched traveling lifestyle. This comprises handcrafted materials. To create an environment of refined elegance, the best materials are painstakingly produced, including rare woods, hand-selected leather, and custom fabrics. Modern technology. The RV has state-of-the-art features like a premium entertainment system, sophisticated climate management, and a fully integrated smart home system. A luxurious bathroom and kitchen, bespoke customization. The user can alter every element of the interior to suit their tastes, creating a genuinely one-of-a-kind and customized living area. Performance and powertrain. A sophisticated and potent engine powers the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, which is intended to deliver a seamless and easy driving experience. This comprises strong and smooth engine. A cutting-edge engine provides a lot of power and torque, making cruising on any route uncomplicated. Advanced suspension system. By mitigating road imperfections and guaranteeing optimal comfort, an advanced suspension system creates a ride that feels like a cloud. Smooth transmission. Easy acceleration and smooth gear changes are guaranteed with a fast and smooth transmission. At the top of the recreational vehicle market, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome serves discriminating customers who want nothing less than the best. Ultra-luxury segment. This motorhome is priced to reflect its uniqueness and custom-built nature, positioning it as an ultra-luxury vehicle. Unmatched craftsmanship. The brand's dedication to excellence is shown in the unmatched craftsmanship and attention to detail. Bespoke experience. The owner can alter every feature of the RV to suit their tastes, making it a genuinely one-of-a-kind and customized experience.